guys, it's Bitcoin Charlie here. Tonight, let's go in here and analyze Bitcoin and take a look at it and see if you can find some tools to help you evaluate whether or not it's a good price point to buy in at or whether or not it's a good time to sell. If you're like me, you may have taken some charting classes and maybe analyzed some stuff and done well or not done so well with charting, but typically what you run across is you'll get some charts like these and you can do some analysis. You can do all kinds of charting. You can do various plotting and see what you can find out. But I've rarely found that does it any good for me. So you could go over to a real charting page like this one here, this trading view, and you could put all your lines on here and analyze it that way. And like I said, I haven't found that's been very helpful for me. So I'm wondering if there's not some better tools out there. So what I've come across is what's called the Maiar Multiple. And this is basically Bitcoin against itself versus a 200-day average. And it basically plots itself, and they say anytime, according to this website. Now, this isn't trading advice. This isn't financial advice, and you'd be an idiot if you're doing any trading based off of this video. So don't do any trading based off this video. I'm just giving you some educational perspectives so that you can start analyzing this and see if maybe it's something you want to scope out and whether or not you want to do something with it. But they're saying this red line here, statistically, it's been above that line. What's it say? Whenever the Maiar Multiple was below 2.4. So Trace Maiar kind of determined this, and somebody else put it all together in a graph form to analyze the price of Bitcoin in a historical context. It does not tell you whether to buy, sell, or hold. Maiar Multiple is a consistent multiple of the price over 200 days. Moving average, and right now it's at a 0.69. So according to this website, that means it's been 84%, 84.69% of the time. So at that point, based on that, it would say that right now it's really a good time to be buying Bitcoin rather than selling. And of course, right now, a lot of people would probably be selling, but this gives you a historical perspective of where the price has been and where it's gone, and at least gives you some statistical analysis of something to look at so that you have a better way of looking at it. And then so when it gets out of whack over here like it did last December, it was at a 14.18, and had we all been as smart as we are now, maybe we would have sold then. But maybe on this next run up, you can do the same. You can sell off some of your Bitcoin and then cash in and do whatever with it that you want. But I don't know. I'm personally more of the mindset of hodling and keeping it for a long-term investment rather than cashing in and then having to pay all the tax on it, because this is not financial advice regarding taxes either, but as I understand it, as long as you don't cash in and trade into another cryptocurrency, you don't have to pay any taxes on it. So if you hold on to it, you can keep your coins. Yeah, they do rise and fall in value, but at least you're not paying some tax on maybe a gain that you really didn't even realize if you're just trading in and out, go to another coin. So I think this website is called MaiarMultiple.info. It might be something you want to look into a little further, because right now, as of tonight, price is back up to 4,062.22, and I think long term, I think we're probably going to see another downtrend in the price. But I'm going to start putting together another video where I think at some point here in the near future, I think you're going to have a hard time even getting a hold of Bitcoin. So I think if you start accumulating now, you'd probably be better off than trying to accumulate it at the actual bottom when it does go down again, because my suspicion is that it's going to go down again, and at that point in time, you may or may not be able to buy in, because if you're using an exchange, it's funny how a lot of these exchanges don't let you seemingly buy in when you want to buy in. It's not quite like the stock market where you just click a buy button and you buy in instantly. These exchanges have a quirky tendency to only let you buy in when they want you to buy in. And if it's not on their time frame, then you don't get to buy in. So hopefully this will be a tool that will help you going forward make some realistic educational decisions on what you want to do. And this is one of the lower prices I've seen for the Maiar Multiple. I think it got down to actually a 0.50 at one point. Of course, I wasn't smart enough to buy anything then, but at that point, I think the value was, it was higher than that 90% of the time. So anyway, hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and click subscribe and hit the little bell down there at the bottom, and you'll get notified of these videos as I produce them. So with that, we will see you in the next video. Take care.